Fix Cookie Run Kingdom stuck on the loading screen. So right now mine isn't actually stuck, it's pretty much just downloading resources. But if you do get the case where you are stuck on your loading screen, it usually points to issues with the app's cache, your internet connection, or outdated files. So first thing you're gonna have to do, one of the basic things, is to pretty much just check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data. You can go ahead and switch from either to see if the connection is your problem. Next thing is you can go ahead and try to force close and restart the app. So you can go ahead into your settings directly. So in your settings, you should be able to find Cookie Run Kingdom as long as you do so. So over here in Android, directly just go ahead and search for the apps and look for Cookie Kingdom. So once we are able to find Cookie Kingdom, all we have to do now is open it, of course, and try to force stop the game. Once we force stop, it should clear any kind of errors that could potentially help, and press on OK and force stop and try reopening the app. Once you open the app, it may help you with the loading screen problem. You can also go ahead back to your settings. Hold on, I accidentally went back. You can go back to the Cookie Run Kingdom if this hasn't worked yet. Over here, you can go ahead and try clearing your cache. So right beside the uninstall button, there's the clear button, and there is clear cache. Clearing cache will just get rid of some useless data. If you clear all data, it won't pretty much reset anything. It's just gonna reset back to when you just downloaded it. You can just go ahead and relog in your account. So make sure you don't have a guest account and you already have one linked one. The last two options is to check for updates. If there are any, you can go to the Play Store and see if there's an update option. And finally, you can reboot your device or reinstall the game. But hopefully these options can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.